Hi, fourth and fifth graders. This video is mainly for you. So I'm able to do this video from home because if you're at school, you know this because I told them all. But if you're at home, I'm gonna have a baby. If you can see that, I don't know if you can see that, but I'm gonna have a baby a few days after Christmas. So I'm really happy that I get to do this video for you and that you guys can kind of watch and follow along with me, and I can give you some good tips and give you some help with drawing. So this video is for kids that are at the school because I'm not there right now. I have a sub helping me out. And also this video is for kids that are doing e-learning at home. And if you don't know me, if you're new to the school, I'm Miss Delastang. I'm your art teacher. And today we are going to make this. We're going to make this lovely oil pastel blending picture for fall. You can draw whatever you'd like though, and that's why I was working on this too. I want you to have your own idea. Please don't copy my idea. Try to do something that is original, that you really want to do, that you might have an idea for. I drew a little cartoon owl that I'll finish hopefully for you. I'll show you how to work with browns today at the end of the video. But yeah, I wanted to give you guys a chance to have some freedom and to kind of draw something that maybe you want to draw. You've got to make sure, one, that you do it big enough. You've got to draw big enough today. And then second of all, we're going to practice some oil pastel blending or crayon blending if that's what you have at home. And we're going to work with a color wheel. I love color and I love teaching color because it's really fun to see all the colors blend together. So we're going to do that. I'm going to move my camera here, so give me a second. I'm sorry, guys. I have not done a whole lot of videos. Just started my YouTube channel, which is kind of fun.